If you want to customize always on display on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then in that case we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna choose home screen, lock screen, and style, and then we're gonna swipe up over here in order to find always on display. And here we have three options for different modes for AOD. We have the classic one, seamless, and full screen, which also uses the wallpaper that you have on the lock screen. We can also go to display settings in order to set up, for example, a schedule for AOD. And besides that, if you use, for example, seamless or classic, then you also have these additional item settings like the information that should be displayed, and the contextual info, and new notifications display. Besides that, over here below we have different pre-made like patterns or themes for AOD that you can use as well in case you want to use something completely different than one of these three methods that we have over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.